If Cash Giraffe shows a VIP status or VIP-related reward, but it is not applying to your account, the first thing to check is whether the status is actually active on your current account. Cash Giraffe uses account-based rewards, bonuses, streaks, and promotions. So a status shown in one part of the app does not necessarily mean every reward has already been applied. By the end, you'll know what to check when VIP status is missing, stuck, or showing the wrong reward. Start by completely closing Cash Giraffe and opening it again. Then check the account or reward section where the VIP status appeared. Look for the exact status, bonus, or promotion and check whether it shows as active, pending, expired, or unavailable. If you recently earned the status, give the app a little time to synchronize before trying the reward again. Avoid repeatedly tapping the same reward button, because that usually does not force the account status to refresh. Next, check the game or activity connected to the VIP benefit. Cash Giraffe rewards can depend on specific games, surveys, tasks, offers, and promotions. If the VIP benefit is connected to a particular activity, make sure you are using the activity shown in the offer, rather than a different game. Also check whether the promotion has specific eligibility requirements. Cash Giraffe says offers and availability can vary, and its current reward system includes different activities and bonus features. If the VIP label appears but the expected bonus does not, the issue may be with eligibility rather than the app itself. If the status still does not apply, update Cash Giraffe from your device's app store. The current iOS listing shows regular releases containing bug fixes, so running an outdated version can leave you with behavior that has already been corrected in a newer release. After updating, restart the phone and sign back into Cash Giraffe. Then check the VIP or rewards section again before starting another qualifying activity. If nothing changes, use Cash Giraffe's support option and provide your account details, the VIP status shown in the app, the reward that failed to apply, and a screenshot if possible. That gives support enough information to check the account-specific issue, instead of sending a general troubleshooting request. So the key fixes are simple. Confirm the VIP status is active, verify the qualifying activity, update Cash Giraffe, restart the app, and contact support if the status still does not apply. Try those steps before deleting the app or creating another account. If this fixed your Cash Giraffe VIP problem, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe fixes.